Awesome people, how is it going over there? Compliment of the seasons to you. Today, I want to basically talk about how you can hold or handle catfish. A lot of people do not know how to do this, and that is why I took it upon myself, especially if you want to pick catfish. So, I'm also going to be answering some questions that is going to really be beneficial to you. So, make sure you stay tuned and enjoy this video. That being said, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel because on this channel, I'll bring to you a lot of things you think you know or the things you don't even know at all. We're going to both learn together. So, without wasting much of your time, let's just. So, if you want to hold a fish, this is how you do it. So, is it bad to hold a catfish by the mouth? Of course, it's not really bad, only that is going to be more dangerous to their fins. And what is the proper way to hold a catfish? As you can see in this video, I just showed you the best way to hold catfish. And if you are cognizant enough, I showed you two methods of holding the catfish. So those are the proper ways of holding the catfish. If you do not hold it properly, the catfish is going to injure your hand, especially the defense mechanism they have beside their head. They're going to use it to injure your hand, so you have to know how to handle it properly. Can catfish cut you? Of course, it can. In case you do not know how to handle it properly, and as I showed you in this video, you should be able to do that. But in case you are still staying with catfish, here is the treatment. The first treatment is soak the affected area in water as hot as it's tolerable. Usually release pain from a sting. The second option is spine should be removed with tweezers. The third option is the wound should be scrubbed and irrigated with fresh water. Another option is that the wound should not be tapped or sewn together, while the last option you are left with is you may need a tetanus shot. So, in case you are stung with catfish, those are the treatments. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to believe you derive value watching this video, and if you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you. Stay safe. Bye for now.